Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And I ran out of a stash of stuff I had for some time now. It's a Yamaha sign. I don't know if it's genuine or not. It says it's from 1990. This is the container it came in. But I will not be shipping in this container because this is horrible. The letters are about right around 11 inches tall. And I think they're made out of aluminum. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it's a dealer sign or not, but it came from a dealer. If you mount it on wood or something like this, you're going to be looking at about 52 inches wide. So it looks pretty cool. It'd be great for the man cave, the garage, the dealer. So thanks for looking at our stuff. Take care.